Are you struggling with your football career? Then boy, do I have the deal for you. The Gold Carl Weiser Football Experience Package is now live. Now, before we waste any time, let's just unbox the package to see some of the exclusive deals you're only going to get out of the Carl Weiser Gold Football Experience Package. Alright, our package is in. We got a little mix up with the marketing here. We're going to get that fixed up. We got some Christmas tree on. Don't worry about that. We're going to get that fixed up. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into this package. First off, we're starting off with a bang. The Carl Weiser helmet. Now this is really going to get you dripped off. You're going to be playing good, feeling good, and most importantly, looking good with the Weiser helmet. It's really going to improve your play drastically, and quite frankly, you're a drip. Let's move on. The Carl Weiser pigskin. This, you're really going to want to use this to get those extra reps in before or after practice, before or after games, or on those extra hours. While people are in their third dream, you're in your third workout using the Carl Weiser pigskin. So this and the helmet together, an unstoppable duo. But we're not done yet. Let's keep going. The Carl Weiser nameplate. You're going to want to paste this onto your jersey, pads, whatever you're feeling. The Carl Weiser nameplate, Wheezy. Slap that on the back of your jersey. This bad boy is also going to help out with your play. Also that feel. Scouts are going to walk in and see Wheezy on the back of your jersey. Immediately, your name's on the list. Let's move on. Now, before I show you this item is only used for certain scenarios. The Carl block, okay? Hear me out. You're going to be a star. People are going to get real angry, whether it's fans, coaches, opposing players, opposing students. This is what you're going to want to use if a crazy fan hops off the field, starts attacking you. You just flip that boy out, give him the old Wheezy 1-2, boom, and you're chilling. So you're going to want to use this for protection purposes only. Finally, the mecca of all of this. The Holy Man. This is what elevates your play to the next level. You're going to want to stick this into your jersey, your pads, whatever. This improves your play. If this is not there, your skills will not be there. These all have their own pros. But this right here, this is the Mac Daddy. Put this in your jersey, and you'll be styling. With all of these together, combines the ultimate football player. Let's just get in to the on-field exclusive deals from the Gold Football Carl Weiser package.
First, you will see your drip elevate to the next level.
Chase the money. Be for real. Let's make a deal. Be for real. Here's your offer pill. Okay, let's make a deal. Rubble still skin. She wanna see my purple pickle up in the wind.
Okay.
Chunk cutters off, get in. And if you don't like me, hit chin, chin, chin. I'm hotter than a pepper, no mint. Big stepper, no stilts, big
First, your tackling will be boosted.
New skirt, ice skirt, big dress. New grills, 10K, big list. Diamonds dancing on my fist, no disc. Give me lips, rock band like Kiss. Remember days, me and X hitting legs. One side of melon, we hit a lick on your. I'm a good fella,
Next, your athleticism is significantly
I
boosted.
got drip, action on your. It's that Pokemon trainer. Who's this? He should be in cockpit. Cause I'm flyer than a ostrich.
Okay.
On my wood, that won't give me polish. I'ma put my foot up in his socket. Who's this? He should be in cockpit. Cause I'm flyer than a ostrich. On my wood, that won't give me polish. I am constructor.
Next,
that
your
that
wideout
polish.
skills are
Yes,
boosted.
give me a girl from Disney and a Happy Meal. Pretty, please don't jip me. On the fries, on the guys, McDonald's, cause they still selling pies, Just bought a new suit, got my upsize, Said he won't beef, pull up 5 guys, Yes, I'm fire, a little different, like pumpkin fries, Hold up, where's my guys? 1,000 melon, we hit a lick on your. gel up my kick. I am false failure, I got drip. Action on your this that Pokemon trainer. Who's this? He should be in cockpit. Cause I'm flyer than a ostrich. On my way that boy.
Finally, your quarterbacking skills are boosted.
Who's this? He should be in cockpit. Cause I'm flyer than a ostrich. On my way that won't give me polish. I am constructor that side that malice.
These are just a few of the many exclusive deals you're going to get out of the Carl Wheezer Gold Football Package. If you'd like to cop your very own football package, please go to www.carlwheezer.com to get your very own package for a price that will be determined based on the amount people want. They sell out quick, so make sure you're on the website approximately at 4:15. 4:15 in the afternoon on Saturday, January 7th, to get the football package. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. And as always, this is Carl Wheezy, or C. Wheezy III, signing off. Stay Wheezy.
I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie.